COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test Kit. Collido Gold Self-Test with Saliva Specimen. Adults. Make sure to wash or sanitize your hands and make sure they are dry before starting. Make sure to check the kit expiry date before testing. Make sure the kit components are complete without any missing or damage after opening. Take out the instructions for use and read it carefully. Place the extraction tube into the tube rack. Hold the extraction solution vial with your fingers and make sure the tail is upward. Rotate the tail of the extraction solution vial. Squeeze all extraction solution from the vial into the extraction tube. Specimen collection. Do not eat or drink anything such as gum, tobacco, liquor, etc. 30 minutes prior to sampling. Find the saliva swab in the sealed wrapper. Identify the fabric, soft tip of the saliva swab. Peel off the swab packaging and gently take out the saliva swab. Insert the saliva swab by one hand into the mouth cavity. Place the saliva swab tip between upper and lower molar teeth. Then gently bite the swab tip with upper and lower molar teeth for no less than 10 seconds. And meanwhile, close the mouth for complete saliva absorption in the depths of the mouth. After saliva collection, gently take out the swab. Insert the saliva swab into extraction tube. Stir the saliva swab more than 5 times. Leave saliva swab in extraction tube for about 1 minute. Squeeze the swab against the inner wall of the extraction tube to release the liquid as much as possible when you remove the swab. Press the cap onto the extraction tube tightly. Unseal the foil pouch and take out the test card. Place the card on the flat surface. Apply 2 drops of extracted specimens to the specimen well of the test card and then start timing. Read the test results in 15 to 20 minutes, and test results after 20 minutes may not be accurate. Dispose of the test swab with normal household waste in accordance with applicable local regulations.